Hey everyone, I'm Bradley, and welcome to Zlangle. Huge news just dropped concerning a few upcoming Marvel films, not by Marvel Studios, but Fox. And while most of you probably know, Disney, the owner of Marvel, has recently made a deal in which Disney will essentially buy the 20th Century Fox studio along with most of its properties, which would include the X-Men and Fantastic Four film rights. But, as the repercussions of that deal won't be in effect until at least over a year from now, Fox is apparently still going full steam ahead on their production of Marvel properties. The release dates are set so that there are of course 2 Marvel Fox movies coming out in 2018, and now there are going to be 3 in 2019 and another 3 in 2020. Now, Fox has said this kind of thing before. There were supposed to be 3 X-Men films in 2016, but then they took Gambit off the schedule. Then there were supposed to be 3 set for this year, but then they moved New Mutants to next year. So we've heard about them having a full slate of films in a single year before, but I think this time they really do mean it. But the big story here is that it has just been revealed that a Silver Surfer movie is in development. And, while that alone is exciting enough, as we have been waiting for a Silver Surfer movie forever now, the best part is that it will be written by Brian K. Vaughan. A lot of you, I'm sure, are going, huh? Who's that? Well, if you were one of those people, there's a little place I think you should go to. The comic book store, and pick up a few issues of Y the Last Man, The Runaways, or Saga. Because he has become one of my favorite writers in the last few years. And though I thought he would probably never work on anything Marvel or DC again, it seems he's at least willing to write a script about Silver Surfer, and if he thinks he has a good story for it, then I have absolute faith in this project, even though I would have liked Marvel Studios to have made one eventually. So that's the best sounding movie of Fox's upcoming projects. But we also have a film that was announced a couple weeks ago, supposedly based on Kitty Pryde, and being developed by Deadpool director Tim Miller and Brian Michael Bendis, another comic book Hall of Famer. They were really getting some good comic book writers in here, which makes me really happy. But it's weird though, because a few months ago, it was announced that Brian Michael Bendis had signed an exclusive contract with DC Comics, despite being with Marvel for years and years. So maybe the contract was only for comic books, and didn't include anything about working on films? I don't know. Anyway, there's also a Doctor Doom movie being made by Noah Hawley, who created the shows Fargo and Legion, another Marvel Fox property. So that'll be pretty cool, I think. And of course, there is X-Men being planned, and being directed by Drew Goddard, and it's reportedly going to start shooting this October, so this is the most likely film to actually happen in this rundown. So we don't know yet what the other untitled films are, but I'm sure we're going to hear more about it in the coming months. And I'm curious what Disney will decide to do once the deal is finalized. But which upcoming films are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. Subscribe if you want to make me happy, and thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. Enough said, and Excelsior.